Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We were from group 3 and we will present our conversation about effect of inorganic fertilizer on soil health. The first, let me introduce myself. My name is Milati Rizky Solihah and my friend is Nurul Aisyah, Nafisa Fatiha, and Widi Setiawan.
Hello guys, what was your college schedule this morning?
Hey Nurul, we have just completed a basic class of soil scene and fertility.
That's right. We're both in one class.
As you entered new material, what you learn?
We have just studied how inorganic fertilizer affects soil health.
Wow, how did that happen?
There are many advantages and disadvantages of inorganic fertilizer to consider when deciding how to add a nutrient to the soil.
What to consider?
Inorganic fertilizer usually contain only certain nutrients and are quickly and easily absorbed by plants, allowing you to strategically correct the nutrient imbalance shown in your soil test result. However, there are also many disadvantages of this option, including some negative effects on soil structure and the environment.
How does inorganic fertilizer affect the soil?
The decreased soil aggregates could be due to the ammonium ions in the synthetic fertilizers, which cause soil particles to separate rather than aggregate. This could offset any positive effect of increases soil organic carbon content, uh, while increasing fertilizer runoff that cause pollution of waterways. The decreased soil aggregates could be due to ammonium ions in the synthetic fertilizer, which cause soil particles to separate rather than aggregate.
Does inorganic fertilizer affect soil pH?
Inorganic fertilizer tend to lower soil pH, making it more acidic. Every plant tolerates different soil pH levels, and some plants will do well in acidic soil. However, if the soil gets too acidic, plant will suffer. Fertilizing with manure, an organic option, help to keep soil pH in a range that is healthy for plant.
Okay, in addition to altering soil pH levels, inorganic fertilizer do not contribute to enhancing soil structure. If only inorganic zinc fertilizer is used to the structures of the soil will degrade. One reason for this is that it degrades water stable, aggregates the particle that sticks together and help to decrease water erosion. Manure, on the other hand, increase water stable aggregates.
Do you know other disadvantage of the use of inorganic fertilizer?
To my knowledge, the use of inorganic fertilizer usually requires more frequent fertilization. While nutrients are easily absorbed by plants, they do not stay in the soil that long. Using slow-release fertilizer help to overcome this problem, but generally, inorganic fertilizer should be added frequently to the soil.
Inorganic fertilizer also increase possibility of Higgs salinity. Saline soil have too much salt and can negatively affect a plant's ability to absorb nutrients and water. Affect a plant. This the fertilizer can also cause a crust on top of the soil. This can affect water absorption into soil.
Thank you, guys. Our discussion is enough to add a lot of knowledge.
Right. Learning through discussion like this is fun and easy to understand.
If so, sometime we discuss again, right? And now, I say goodbye. First, to take the next class.
Okay,
Okay,
Widi.
Widi. See
See you.
you.